Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another one for you today. I know it's only been a week, right? Anyway, yeah, it's not too bad out here. It's about 60 degrees, so don't let the hoodie fool you. It's still not warm. But anyway, I've been doing some major things on the SVJ, and want to go ahead and show those to you. So let's go take a look. Okay, so as you saw last time, we made a back panel for the inside of the frunk area, and since then I've added some other pieces to it. Kind of the front piece here, still have to work on getting that figured out perfectly. But yeah, so I've got to figure out, how I'm gonna do the entryway so that you can not only store stuff but get to the gas tank, which is going to be in there. Did some more work down here. Basically got these in there, the kind of cavities for the door handles, and then over here we've been working on getting this gap basically like the other gap on the other side. Also been working on some of the door parts, basically just smoothing them out and getting them straight. Now, one of the problems with doing something like this is that you're going to run into interference, and of course I've run into interference. So basically I've had to make some modifications to the hood, and you can see here that basically I've had to push back this and make a cavity here, and then actually do the edges a little bit further back so that they can sit in the recesses that you see over on the inner structure. So this should fix all of that issue, and then so I cut all that out and then went ahead and fiberglassed it all back together, so we still have a strong hood. Now the hood is got a little bit of a twist to it, so I still have to go in there and do some body work to make it so that it looks good when it's in there. The other thing is that I do have this gas shock on this side. The problem is that it pushes the hood up on this side because of these particular hinges here. And so what I need to do is I need to potentially put one on that side as well so that the hood comes up nice and even, but we'll see. So now actually did some more fiberglass here, and I'll show you in a minute why I'm doing that, and show you guys what we're going to do up here to kind of get more of an OEM look. So I do have these pieces. Unfortunately, they are damaged. Sorry, Dario. You're gonna have to buy some other ones. But anyway, what I want to do is I want to kind of replicate this on this guy here. So we're gonna probably cut this one so that it does that, and then I will put a lip on it so that they can bolt together. Still have to figure out where I'm going to do it. Probably do it up here a little bit, just so it's in the flat area. And then you remember our little guy up here. So this buddy right here has got this lip on here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this out and then fiberglass it into this piece here. That way it'll look a little bit more OEM underneath. In other areas, I'm going to use the engine plastics that I have. They'll tuck nicely underneath here, and as you can see, I've got kind of part of the one over there. We'll get all of that fitting in here and really clean up the engine bay. Now I've got some news about our McLaren here. The McLaren is getting ready to go on a journey. I'm basically trading the McLaren for a Porsche Panamera, which is in working order. It's a 2018. You can see it right here. And it's in good shape, so I'm pretty happy. And it's also the McLaren's going to a good home. It's going to a new friend of mine that I met through Dale down in Texas, and his name is Brian Washington. And so this is not going to be the last time you'll see this car, because Brian's going to go ahead and finish it, and we're going to help him as much as we possibly can. So you may see some videos of me going down there and helping him out, or maybe getting the engine started, things of that nature. So that's part of the deal, is to give Brian some help with this car. So we're certainly eager to help him get it back on the road. So stay tuned for some of that content. So yeah, that's it for this short one. Again, the McLaren, which is gonna hopefully be gone this week. We'll do a video on the delivery of the Porsche, and then I'll also do a few videos on basically repairing some of the things that need to get fixed on that car. Otherwise, it's in very, very good shape. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe as always. Take care. We'll see you next time.